my dear students. In this video we will discuss the topic hand labor and steam engine. This is the topic of class 10th history chapter age of industrialization. Beta, the question can be asked in board exam from this topic like this, that why the industrialist or the capitalist prefer hand labor as compared to that of the machine. So the answer, you can write 5 points. Here I will explain you how to write. Okay. Remember the question, why industrialists or capitalists prefer hand labor as compared to the machine, use of machine. So the first reason behind the use of a hand labor was that there was no shortage of labor at that time in Britain. In Victorian Britain, there was no shortage of labor. Why there was no shortage of labor? The reason was that one reason was the coming of the enclosure movement. I had told you regarding the enclosure movement in the countryside, in village area, the enclosure movement came, according to which the big landlord fenced their land, and the small plots of land of a small farmers were taken away, and because of this they became jobless or the landless. This is one of the reasons for the abundance of the labor, and second reason was that of the increase of population at that time in Britain. Because of these two reasons, there was no shortage of labor in Britain at that time, and because of the abundance of labor, here again come up the demand and supply law, which says that when supply is so much, obviously the demand, when supply is too much of any of the thing, obviously the price of the things goes down. When the supply of labor was so much, because of this the wages of the labor goes down. This led to the benefit of the industrialist or the capitalist. Because of this, they need less capital to be invested. Second reason, machine. The use of machine need large capital investment, because the use of machine need a proper setup. First, they have to buy the machine, which was also very much expensive. Another thing was that after buying the machine also need to be repaired time to time. And all these things need a lot of money. That's why they need a large capital investment. This is one of the reasons why the capitalists prefer the hand labor as compared to that of the use of machine. The third reason was that there were some industries in Britain at that time which were seasonal. Like in India also there is a seasonal industry like that of the sugarcane industry, which work only for few months. So there were seasonal industries in Britain also in that time, like that of the glass work and the beverage industry, gas work and beverage industry. Gas work was the work which include the lighting, some kind the gas, natural gas was used to lighten the places. And the beverage is the term used for the making of a sharab drink. So these industries, the demand of a labor in these industries was so much in Britain during the winter season, during cold season. The demand increased so much. So these two industries were the seasonal industry. Another seasonal industry was that of the book binding and the printers. This is also a seasonal industry which require a large number of labor just before the coming of the Christmas, because at that time there was a large demand of the books and the printed work. Ship repairing. This industry also the seasonal based industry, which also work during the winter season, cold season, because during that time ship don't go anywhere, because the sea or the rivers were covered with the snow. That's why that was the off season for that. this was the reason why the ship owners prefer to repair their ships during this time. So all these industries were the seasonal based industry. So capitalists thought that investing so much of capital in these kind of an industry will cost them so much. That's why they prefer hand labor. They give the job to the laborers during that particular time whenever they need their service. Now we come to the fourth point. Fourth important point is this: the upper class of Britain. Upper class consists of the aristocratic class, nobles, and the bourgeoisie class. Upper class consists of aristocracy and bourgeoisie. Bourgeoisie class. Bourgeoisie class, beta, was the capitalist or the industrialist class. This was the middle class. They prefer the handmade goods as compared to that of the machine goods. Why? Because handmade goods were considered to be the classy, to be used by a upper class. The reason was that they were made individually, means the design was not copied and made. The reason they were made by hand, they were made so carefully and in a very refined way. While the machine produced were uniform, standardized good for a mass market. They were produced in a mass of a same color, design, like that. That's why the upper class preferred the handmade goods, because they were the class symbol, status symbols of Britain at that time. While the machine products had a similar design, shape, color, that's why they were used mainly to get exported in the colonies. So machine-made products were made for the export purpose, to export them in the colonies. So beta, these five were the reasons why the industrialists preferred the hand labor as compared to that of the use of machine. Here, have a quick revision of this. One reason was there was no shortage of the labor at that time. That's why the industrialists can give a low wage to the laborers. They were ready to work even at a low wage. Second, having a machine need a large capital investment. It also need repairing time to time. Third, there were many seasonal industry in which the industrialists thought that investing so much money is just the wastage. It did not let them to earn so much profit. Third, upper class prefer to have a handmade products. That's why also industrialists prefer the hand labor. And the third reason was that machine made products were so much similar and same in design and all other things, and made for a mass market, for the export purpose, not for the use in the country. So beta, after this topic there is another subtopic in this that we will discuss in another video. Thank you.